If you have got NFL Sunday ticket and you are ready to cancel it, I will walk you through the exact steps so you don't get billed for the next season. So launch your browser and go to nflsundayticket.tv, or if you have subscribed through YouTube or YouTube TV, open those apps instead. Log in with the account linked to your NFL Sunday ticket subscription. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and go to Settings or Billing and Payments. Under the subscription section, locate NFL Sunday ticket. You'll see your plan details along with your renewal date. Click Cancel Subscription or Manage Subscription. Follow the on-screen prompts. It may ask you to confirm your reason for canceling. Once you confirm, you should get a cancellation message on screen. You'll also receive a confirmation email. Keep it for your records. If you signed up through YouTube TV, go to Settings, then Membership, find NFL Sunday ticket and toggle it off. Confirm to complete the cancellation. And that's it, your NFL Sunday ticket is cancelled. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.